In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute best ChatGPT prompt I've ever come across. It's the one prompt that if you know it, you don't need to know any other prompting tricks. This is the last prompting trick you'll probably ever have to learn. Now, I recently did a Twitter poll and 834 people on Twitter answered it, and overwhelmingly, GPT-3 and GPT-4 prompting was what people wanted more of. So I figured I would show you my one trick to end all tricks with GPT prompting. I've sort of been hesitant to share this one because this is also how I get so many ideas for videos, so many ideas for content, so many ideas for the tweets that I put out. This is so simple, yet so powerful. So this is the base prompt right here. And you can add additional context to the prompt to get even better responses. So the prompt is, what are the absolute coolest, most mind-blowing, out-of-the-box ChatGPT prompts that will really show off the power of ChatGPT? Give me 10. Now, just using this base prompt, you're going to get a whole bunch of killer prompts. All right, so check out some of these prompts that it came up with. Create a new form of government that optimizes human well-being, innovation, and sustainability while considering the potential impact of emerging technologies like AI and biotechnology. Now, I'm not going to read all of these off, but if you want to pause real quick and read some of the others, this is some really killer prompting that ChatGPT is telling you you're going to get some awesome responses from. Some other great examples describe a future in which humans have merged with technology and achieved a post-scarcity society. What new challenges and opportunities might arise, and how would these advancements redefine our understanding of humanity? Or propose a solution to a major global problem. Examples: climate change, inequality, or political instability, using a combination of cutting-edge scientific discoveries, innovative technology, and new social policies. Or create a short story or scene set in a utopian society where AI has been successfully integrated into all aspects of life, highlighting the benefits and potential drawbacks of living in such a world. Develop a thought experiment that challenges our understanding of reality, consciousness, and morality, and discuss the implications of the experiment's outcome for how we perceive the world and our place in it. Let's take this prompt here, because I think this one's fascinating, and let's see what response it gives us. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to create a new chat. I'm going to set it to 4, but this will work on any of these models. I'm just going to use 4 because it's probably going to get the best response if you can use 4. So let's paste this in and see what it says. The concept of a simulated reality has been widely debated, with proponents suggesting that it is entirely plausible that we might be living in a highly advanced computer simulation. In this simulated multiverse, there are 3 types of simulated universes. Type A, universes where the simulated beings are conscious, sentient, and have free will. They are capable of moral reasoning and are aware of their own existence. Type B, universes where the simulated beings are conscious but have no free will. They are programmed to follow a predetermined set of rules and behaviors, and their actions are completely determined by the simulation's programming. Type C, universes where the simulated beings are not conscious at all, functioning more like complex automatons. They appear to be sentient, but their actions and responses are entirely determined by the simulation's programming. Now imagine that you are an observer who has access to all these simulated universes. Your task is to determine the moral implications of your actions within these simulated universes. You are aware that your actions can affect the simulated beings and their environments, causing harm or benefit, but you are unsure of the ethical weight of these actions. This thought experiment challenges our understanding of reality by proposing that multiple simulated universes can exist, each with varying degrees of complexity and consciousness. This raises the question: what constitutes a real reality? If the simulated beings in Type A and Type B universes experience consciousness, does that make their reality any less real than ours? Can we ever be certain of our own level of consciousness and free will, given that we might be part of a simulated universe ourselves? If we assume that actions within Type A universes carry the most moral weight, how do we navigate our responsibilities in Type B and Type C universes? Does the level of consciousness and free will affect the ethical considerations of our actions, or should we treat all simulated beings equally? The implications of this experiment forces us to question our own reality and the nature of our existence, as well as to reevaluate the moral weight of our actions in a world where the line between reality and simulation might be blurred. Now, this is fascinating. Using this exact same prompt here, I also got this interesting question. You are a time-traveling historian from the year 3000. Describe how humanity has evolved and the key milestones that led to our current state. And then it breaks down over a 1,000-year period the evolution of humans. And I actually think it is probably a little off on the timing. It doesn't seem to take into account the exponential nature of how quickly technology is advancing. If you want to see the whole breakdown, I actually posted this exact response on my Twitter account over at Mr. eFlow. It's really fascinating where the AI thinks the world is going over the next 1,000 years. And it ends with humans and AI merging into essentially a new species. Now, I did mention that this prompt could be used as like a base prompt. You can add additional context to it and get prompts that solve various problems for you. So let's go ahead and start a new chat here, and let's go ahead and paste our prompt in. What are the absolute coolest, most mind-blowing, out-of-the-box ChatGPT prompts that will really show off the power of ChatGPT? Give me 10. And then I can add an additional contextual prompt to it, such as focus the prompt around making money and growing wealth. And let's see what it generates for us there. Here's what it came up with for us. Create a comprehensive 10-year wealth building plan, including multiple passive income streams and investment strategies tailored to a hypothetical individual with a starting capital of $10,000. Design a futuristic AI-driven financial advisor app that combines behavioral finance, personalized investment strategies, and cutting-edge technologies to revolutionize wealth management. Let's go ahead and try this prompt out real quick and see what sort of response it gives us. And it mapped out a 10-year wealth building plan. Set aside an emergency fund of $1,000, pay off high interest debt, diversify income streams, invest in dividend-paying stocks which provide passive income through regular dividend payout, allocate $2,000 of the starting capital to REITs, allocate $1,000 of starting capital to P2P lending, create digital products, develop and sell products like ebooks, courses, or software that generate passive income, affiliate marketing, promote products or services from other companies earning commissions, allocate $2,000 of the starting capital to a Roth IRA and invest in various assets within the Roth IRA, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, invest $1,000 of the starting capital in a low-cost diversified index fund that tracks the overall market like the S&P 500. Then it gives us yearly steps, continuously invest in passive income streams, retirement accounts, and index funds, increase your investment in dividend stocks with each dividend payment received, reinvest dividends in your REITs, reinvest earnings from your P2P lending, continuously improve and market your products to increase sales and generate more passive income, do more affiliate marketing, maximize your yearly contributions in your Roth IRA, increase your investment in index funds as your wealth grows, and by following this 10-year wealth plan, you should see your wealth grow steadily through diversified investments and passive income streams. I'd say that's a pretty solid plan. All right, let's jump back to our initial prompt here. And let's give it some different context. Let's paste this in, but instead of focusing the prompts on money making, let's say focus the prompts around productivity and automating daily tasks. Create a detailed step-by-step guide on how to automate the entire process of meal planning, grocery shopping, and meal preparation. Envision a creative way for ChatGPT to collaborate with you in real time to generate ideas, delegate tasks, and complete projects more efficiently. How would this partnership work and what benefits would it provide? Now, I'm not going to read them all, but you can go ahead and pause and take your time to read some of these if you'd like. Let's test one of these prompts here. I like this one. Envision a creative way for ChatGPT to collaborate with you in real time to generate ideas, delegate tasks, and complete projects more efficiently. How would this partnership work and what benefits would it provide? Let's copy this prompt, paste this in here. Create a seamless and efficient collaboration between ChatGPT and users in real time. We can develop an integrated project management and brainstorming platform, tentatively named IdeaFlow. This platform would allow users to work closely with ChatGPT, leveraging AI capabilities. Users would start by describing their project goals, requirements, and constraints. ChatGPT would suggest creative ideas, approaches, and solutions based on these inputs. Task delegation. Once the project framework and milestones are established, ChatGPT would analyze the tasks required and help users delegate them effectively. Project management. ChatGPT would integrate with popular project management tools like Trello and Asana to monitor progress, deadlines, and resource allocation, and provide real-time updates, identify bottlenecks and risks, and suggest corrective actions. IdeaFlow would offer built-in communication features like chat, video calls, and screen sharing. ChatGPT would actively participate in discussions. As the project progresses, ChatGPT would learn from user feedback and adapt to their preferences. It could identify patterns, preferences, and areas for improvement, providing valuable insights for future projects. And then it goes on to explain some of the benefits of this partnership. And we could even get more granular. Focus the prompts around creative ways to use Google Sheets. I mean, some of these are crazy. Use Google Sheets to create a multiplayer turn-based strategy game where players take on different roles, manage resources, and engage in battles by manipulating data within the sheet and using built-in functions and scripting to determine outcomes. Create an interactive world map in Google Sheets by importing geographic data and using conditional formatting, data validation, and custom functions to allow users to explore different countries, learn about their cultures, and even plan a virtual trip. Design a Google Sheets-based simulation of an ecosystem or environment where users can manipulate factors like temperature, precipitation, and species populations, and the sheet calculates the impact of these changes on the ecosystem using custom functions and data visualization. Or maybe you have a business. Let's plug in our base prompt here and type, the prompts should focus on improving my business. Propose a comprehensive employee training program using gamification and micro-learning techniques to improve skills, increase job satisfaction, and promote a culture of continuous learning. Brainstorm a list of 10 potential collaborations or partnerships with companies outside my industry and describe the mutual benefits of each collaboration. Design a customer loyalty program incorporating cutting-edge technologies like blockchain and NFTs, with rewards that provide real value and incentivize long-term customer engagement. Suggest ways to integrate AI-driven analytics and decision-making tools into my company's operations to optimize performance, reduce costs, and identify untapped market opportunities. Identify 5 emerging trends or technologies in my industry and provide a plan on how to strategically position my business to capitalize on these opportunities. So this is hands down, the most powerful prompt I've ever used. It can help me come up with ideas for anything. I've used it to come up with ideas for YouTube videos. I've used it to come up with ideas to improve the Future Tools website. I've used it to come up with ideas for creative tweets that are thought-provoking. This is literally the end-all, be-all prompt to get to any other prompt that you might want to get to. If you're a game developer, set the context to game development. If you need relationship advice, set the context to relationship advice. You want to make a creative short film, give that additional context after the base prompt. You will get some insane, amazing prompts that are designed to show off the limits and the capabilities of ChatGPT. It is so powerful. Here's some other prompts it's come up with for me. You have invented a device that can automate any mundane task. Describe the device's capabilities, its impact on productivity, and how it can help people enjoy life and build wealth. You are the creator of a new productivity app that revolutionizes the way people manage their time and achieve their goals. Describe its unique features and how it promotes wealth building and life enjoyment. Check this one out. You are the author of a best-selling book on the secrets to building wealth, living a fulfilling life, and mastering productivity. Share key insights and principles from your book that make it a life-changing read. You have developed a groundbreaking method for individuals to learn and master new skills quickly. Describe the method, its impact on productivity, and how it can contribute to wealth building and life enjoyment. You're an AI therapist helping humans overcome their fears and anxieties. Describe the techniques you use and the most common issues you encounter. Using this prompt with ChatGPT is going to blow your mind. By design, it's meant to blow your mind. So there you have it. That is my #1 ultimate prompt to get to your next ultimate prompt. This is one of those tips that I've been hesitant to share because it is so powerful. It's actually one of the keys to my success on YouTube and on Twitter. I use these kinds of prompts to generate thought-provoking and interesting and creative content that has gone viral on places like YouTube and Twitter. I'm excited to finally share it with you, but also now the cat's out of the bag and you know how I'm doing it. But that's okay, because I got so much more to share with you. I'm staying deep down the AI rabbit hole every single day. I'm exploring generative art. I'm exploring large language models. I'm exploring augmented reality and virtual reality, AI music generation, AI filmmaking, AI game making. I'm going down the rabbit holes. And if you want to go down those rabbit holes with me, check out futuretools.io. This is where I curate all of the coolest tools that I come across in the world of AI. I also share all of the AI news that's coming out on a daily basis. And if all of this is just way too overwhelming for you, there's just too much to keep up with, join the free newsletter. Every Friday, I'll send you the TLDR for the week. I'll send you just the 5 coolest tools that I came across, a handful of news articles, a few YouTube videos that I think you'll like, and one cool way to make money with AI. It goes out every Friday, and it's meant to be just a quick overview of the most important things that happen in the world of AI for the week. I really think you'll dig it. You can find it over at futuretools.io. If you want more videos like this and you love AI as much as I do, and you want to learn about the latest news and technology and tactics and tutorials and videos like the one you just saw, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll make sure to keep making videos so they pop up in your feed. I really, really appreciate you. Thanks for tuning into this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.